Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another flip through and unboxing. This is the Prisma Visions Tarot by James R. Eads or Eads. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong again, but this was requested, so I wanted to go ahead and fulfill that request. So I wanted to just show you real fast what came in the box. I was really impressed with the shipping. It literally took like 3 days, I think. It's on the more expensive side. I think it was 45 or 48, and then adding the shipping on top of that. But everything about it was completely amazing. I didn't have to worry about a thing. They kept me updated, and the little box had the business card in it, which was fantastic. And it has the website here. And then I loved the back that says past lives are perfect portals. And then this is a bookmark, I believe, of his next deck. I'm not sure. But anywho, I'm just really happy with how everything was shipped. The box is not destroyed, and it even has this seal on it that lets you know that is authentic, and then the quality control sticker down at the bottom as well. So I peeled off half of the saran wrap, but I just wanted to make sure, or saran wrap, whatever this is called. I just wanted to make sure you saw that it came with a seal. Because I know certain websites, I'm not going to name names, but certain websites have been duplicating very popular decks and selling them for like $5. So if you are aware of that, just know that they are not legit decks. Keep that in mind. So I like that that seal was there. Let's get into it now that we're like 3 minutes into the video. There is some gold foiling on the box here. I don't think you can see it in the video, but it's there. This box is absolutely stunning. And then the back says the Prisma Vision Tarot, a set of cards to ease your mind. 79 card deck illustrated by James R. Eads, includes a 100-page guidebook. So this is the 5th edition, and I am excited about this one because it looks really unique. The box is hinged. Ooh. And it says the fool believes he is someone he is not, wading through waters for something unsought. The magician plays tricks in the dark of the night, refracting the light of all future sight. A set of cards to ease your mind, or to tease your mind, revealing a past, present, future combined. That's amazing. Okay, so here's the guidebook, and then here we have the cards. Ooh, and then the insert there. Quality, attention to detail. That's what I'm looking for when I'm spending money. Oh, and there's some silver foiling on the edges. Ooh, okay. So before we get into the cards, let's take a look at the book real fast. It is gorgeous. The Visions Guide instructional booklet. So a note from the creator, getting to know the deck, doing a reading, and then all of the cards. Let's see. Each card is imbued with a little bit of magic, care, and love, and the collection as a whole is one of my most cherished possessions. Let's see. Before you begin using the Prisma Vision Tarot in readings, it's important to familiarize yourself with the deck. Okay. You will also find an extra card that is not part of the traditional tarot. Some people will choose to remove it from the readings or keep it in for a twist of fate. Much like the major arcana, the Prisma Visions minor arcana holds a special kind of magic. The 4 suits have each been created as continuous panoramas that tell a story or depict a journey. Spend some time laying out each of the suits in their full form. Try to read the story yourself. There is no wrong way to read the panorama. Read it backwards, read it in parts, isolate certain cards. You will find there is more than one tale within each suit. Being able to understand how the minor arcana cards interact with their adjacent neighbors will give you the greater understanding of how the Prisma Vision Tarot works as a whole. Above all, remember that there is no right or wrong way to interpret the Prisma Visions Tarot. These are merely suggestions to get you going and familiar with all the magic contained in this box. All right, then we have the 3-card spread, the Celtic Cross, ooh, the past life spread, and then it goes on to each of the cards. So we'll go ahead and pull a card at the end of the flip through and read how it will be read in the guidebook. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these out. I love the foiling, and as with every deck that I flip through and unbox with you guys, I always give you heed the warning, I should say, of the foiling on the card. If the cards are sticking together, be sure to separate them carefully. Now, these feel really good in the hand. So that is the back, much like the guidebook. Let's dig in. All right, so these are really cute so far. They're different. I like that they are almost like impressionist paintings. That is really cool. They feel really good. They are thicker cardstock. So again, I feel like you're going to be getting what you pay for in a lot of these decks, especially if they're more on the indie side. There's nothing but love and quality put into the smaller edition decks. Does that make sense? Hopefully I'm saying that right. I'm loving these. These are different and awesome. They feel really good in the hand. There's so much to look at and to interpret. Oh, what a beautiful death card. Look at that. It's an interesting devil card. Oh, I like that version of the tarot. Look at that little mansion up in the hillside. This is neat. I'm really interested in what the guidebook has to say. Oh, is this the extra card? Ooh, Reverie. Ace of Wands. I like that. Wait, the major has borders, but then you're getting into the minor here and they don't. That's interesting. So I feel like just like with the Impressionist paintings, you have so much to look at, and sometimes you have to look far away to see the whole picture. If you look too close, you don't get the full effect. And I'm loving these. I think there's a lot to be said for this style of art, and this will allow you to interpret it how you see fit. What images come to mind, and that sort of it's just like with any art, right? Like it's just what evokes the emotions out of you. That's very interesting. Now, this might not be a deck for everyone just because of its different art style. It might get a little overwhelming for everyone. Or for most people, I should say, because it's not something that we're used to in a deck. But I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I don't see anything wrong with it. I'm loving the way it feels in my hand. It glides so nice. It is a bit glossy, but it's not too bad. It's not super reflective, but it just feels so nice. And I am excited to put the suit all together and to see what it looks like, because that's also very unique and very awesome. What kind of a reading you would get based on the cards that you pull up. So let me know down in the comment section if this deck has been on your wish list, if you are excited about this deck, if this is something that you already own. Let me know how you enjoy it. Do you connect with it? Do you feel like you have deeper readings with it? Oh my goodness. Does it make sense to you? My goodness. Yeah, you can see how it progresses in each card. It's really cool. Now, I had 2 cards that just stuck together, and that was it so far. And a lot of the times with the foiled edges, the cards will stick super tight together and it's hard to peel them apart. I've not had a problem with any of these except for just 2 that stuck together and they came right apart. So I'm super impressed about the quality. This is about a standard size card, I would say. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the pentacles here. I like the color scheme. Absolutely gorgeous. I could not be happier with the quality, with the beautiful pictures. I feel like the concept of putting all the cards side by side is going to be really fun. So let's go ahead. Before we shuffle, I just want to see how, let's just line them up here. And look at the story. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Let me move it down a little bit over here so you can see. That's absolutely beautiful. And it does give you like a whole overview of, so let's just put these, the 10 of Pentacles aside. It gives you a whole overview of the court cards. That's absolutely stunning. I hope you can see how neat that is. And then, you know, if you were to interchange the cards, let's see. Oh, that goes. Anyway, I could sit here and play with these all day. So let's go ahead and shuffle them. And then we'll take a card out of the deck to read from the guidebook. So yeah, you are going to get some scratches, some, you know, messed up edges of the foiling. That's just the name of the game when it comes to any kind of card deck. But you'll just notice more with the foiled edges. Absolutely beautifully shuffles. Love it. No issues. No sticking. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And it shuffles beautifully here as well. That one came up, so we'll read that. Yeah, this is so smooth, so nice. Like they are not sticking together. Ooh, ooh, ooh. They're not sticking together. They are gorgeous. I am happy, 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 happy. Okay, so we have King of Wands here. And then we'll go ahead and find it in the book. Wands, okay, King. The King of Wands cuts a resplendent figure wreathed in the tireless, luminescent energy of his suit. Tongues of fire lap his body as a brilliant sunset billows behind him. A wand as his scepter, he rules the domain of the mind. Patron deity of the pursuit of passion, you need only to embody the king's indomitable spirit to give yourself direction and purpose. Creative, bold, and outgoing, he commands attention through his radiant presence, a man who is truly alive. When you see him in a reading, consider how you see him, consider how you might take charge by inspiring others. Unremittingly follow your passions. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Okay. And then, so I'll flip to the beginning of the wands. It's the magic of wands: imagination, creation, passion, dedication. With imagination hard at work, a fire rises from the earth. So the element is fire, season is spring, and signs are Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So that's really cool. At the beginning of each, I'll call them chapter, you have information and a little paragraph about the suit. So then when you go on and read your individual card, you know, you have a little bit more information. That is wonderful. You know, it's a smaller kind of book, but I feel like there's a lot of information packed in here. You get some spreads, you get some insight, and, you know, you get a description of the card, so you understand where the author is coming from, why they depicted it in the way that they did. And it's such a unique and different concept that, you know, I'm thoroughly pleased. I'm excited to start using it. You know, you can go into this looking like it's a gimmick or that you're possibly overpaying for a deck of cards. But the more I branch out into the more expensive cards, the more I'm seeing the difference in quality and in creativity. And a lot of the times too, not to get off on tangents, but with the indie decks, like, they're so unique. I see so many that I want to just buy, but of course, you know, let's calm that down. But it's just so interesting. It's not the same stuff, you know, being regurgitated each time. So this is neat to see. This was an awesome request. I'm happy that I got to fulfill it. And I am so excited to start using these. So let me know. And he has a few other decks, I think, that I will be looking into as well. So let me know what you think about this particular deck. And if you own it, let me know what your favorite qualities about this deck are and why you gravitate toward it. I would love to know. And if this has helped you, if you enjoyed it, I know it's a little bit on the longer side. I just wanted to get all of the aspects out of the way here. If you enjoyed it, let me know down in the comment section, as well as if there is a deck I have not already reviewed and you're interested in me reviewing it, let me know as well, and I will try my best to get my hands on it. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss a video upload from me. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time.